Hello my dear students, we are studying similar triangles in class 10th. Today we will learn Pythagoras theorem. So first we see what is Pythagoras theorem. In a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So first we'll draw a figure for it. The theorem is in a right triangle. It means first we'll draw a right triangle. Okay. हम एक राइट ट्रायंगल ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं. This is a right triangle ABC, okay, in which angle B is 90. So what is given? Given is in a right triangle. So a right triangle ABC, right angled at B. To prove, in a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse. First, we should know what is hypotenuse. In a right triangle, the side opposite to 90-degree angle is called the hypotenuse. So in this figure, in this triangle, AC is the hypotenuse. So AC square equals AB square plus BC square. Now, construction. In construction, we draw a perpendicular from B on AC, that is BP perpendicular AC. Okay. So this is BP. Perpendicular AC. Proof. We take triangle APB. In triangle APB and triangle ABC. एंगल ए इक्वल्स एंगल ए. आप देखोगे APB में एंगल ए आ रहा है और ABC में भी एंगल ए आ रहा है. सो एंगल ए इक्वल्स एंगल ए और रीजन में क्या लिखोगे? कॉमन. एंगल APB is 90 and angle ABC is also 90. रीजन में लिखेंगे each 90. When two corresponding angles of these triangles are equal, then we can say that triangle APB is similar to triangle ABC, and this is by A. So sign of congruency. Okay, this should not be here. Similarity. Okay. Triangle APB is similar to triangle ABC. When triangles are similar, then the ratio of their corresponding sides is the same. So from here we can write AB upon AC equals AP upon AB. This is by CPST. By cross multiplication, AP into AC equals AB into AB. So AP into AC equals AB square, and this is equation 1. Now we take triangle CPB and triangle CBA. In triangle CPB and triangle CBA, एंगल सी CPB में आ रहा है, एंगल सी CBA में भी आ रहा है. एंगल सी इक्वल्स एंगल सी कॉमन, एंगल CPB equals angle CBA, each 90. Therefore, triangle CPB is similar to triangle CBA by AA. This is the sign of similarity. Similar to. When these triangles are similar, then the ratio of their corresponding sides is the same. That is CP upon BC equals BC upon AC, corresponding parts of similar triangles. By cross multiplication, CP into AC equals BC into BC. CP into AC equals BC into BC is BC square, and this is equation 2. Now adding equation 1 and equation 2. इक्वेशन 1 में है AP इंटू AC इक्वल्स AB स्क्वायर, तो लेफ्ट में आया AP इंटू AC. इक्वेशन 2 में लेफ्ट में है CP इंटू AC, तो प्लस CP इंटू AC. इधर राइट में AB स्क्वायर और इक्वेशन 2 में राइट में BC स्क्वायर. AP into AC plus CP into AC, you can see AC is common. Inside we have AP plus CP, AB square plus BC square. AP plus CP, फिगर में देखिए, AP plus CP is AC. AB square plus BC square. AC into AC, AC square equals AB square plus BC square. यही आपको प्रूफ करना था. AC square means hypotenuse का square equals AB square plus BC square means sum of the squares of the other two sides, that is AC square equals AB square plus BC square. Okay, that's all for this video. We'll continue the same topic in our next video also. We'll learn some problems based on Pythagoras theorems in our next video. Thank you.